Hello, my name is Divin Babu. Today I would like to take a seminar on the topic related to marketing management. The topic I have selected for discussion is that utility marketing and major utilities of marketing. So, first, what is utility marketing? Utility marketing is the process of communicating the value or usefulness of a product to a consumer. Many times during a product design itself, utility is involved so that the customer is himself convinced to buy the product. It is a situation where the marketer tries to convince a consumer that the product they are exchanging their money for will provide them with maximum satisfaction. Now let us discuss about the major utilities of marketing. The major utilities of marketing are form utility, place utility, time utility and possession utility. Now let us discuss what is form utility. Form utility offers product to the customers in a usable form. The utility covers the physical characteristics and shape of product. It includes the conversion of raw materials and components into finished goods or services. For example, using toilet soap in a liquid or liquid or in a bar form is more convenient for the customers or users. This is an example of form utilities. Now let us discuss the second major utility, that is place utility. It offers product at the place of customers so as to ensure the easy availability. In case of example for the place utility, when you go to a picnic at an exotic location, you might be paying double the amount for accommodation as well as for food and traveling. You are paying this much amount because of the place you are in, and hence the factor of place as the utility marketing. Now let us discuss the third major utility, that is time utility. Time utility ensures the availability of the product and services as and when required by the customers. In for example, ATM services are open for 24 hours. And also we know about McDonald's is a famous food chain because you know that you will have a delicious burger in your hand within a minute of walking into a McDonald's. That is also an example of time utility. And the last major utility is that possession utility. It is the utility which gives the buyer the right to own and use a product or service at his own will. As a result of marketing, the ownership and possession of a commodity is transferred from seller to the buyer. In possession utility, there is ability to transfer the title to goods or services from the marketer to buyer. For example, retail sales are example of this kind of utility. So that's all about my topic. I hope all of you understand my topic.